Welcome to Picarols. Nestled between Manacor and Son Macià, this exquisite estate offers total tranquility and privacy, set on about 3 hectares of land. Let's show you around.
This peaceful haven is just a 10 minutes drive from the Rafa Nadal Academy, making it an ideal location for sports enthusiasts and families alike. The main house, built in 2011, covers nearly 500 square meters and combines different style elements with a unique interior design, making it one-of-a-kind residence. The kitchen is a wonderful gathering place for the whole family. It features a practical cooking island, an adjoining dining area and a cozy fireplace. The kitchen seamlessly extends to the outdoors on all sides, creating a perfect flow between indoor and outdoor living. The estate features a total of 5 spacious bedrooms, each with its ensuite bathroom. Three of these bedrooms are conveniently located on the ground floor, while the other 2, including a dressing area, are situated on the upper level. In total, there are 7 bathrooms, providing ample space and luxury for all residents and guests. A private gym area is also included, ensuring you have everything you need for a balanced lifestyle. The stunning outdoor spaces are designed to be a serene retreat. The property consists of a magnificent 17-meter long pool surrounded by extensive terraces where you can soak in the breathtaking views of rolling hills and distant sea. The gardens are beautifully landscaped across different levels, featuring a charming courtyard, water features and shaded terraces that allow comfortable outdoor living even during the hottest months.